In this video, I will show you how to easily swap faces to an image using Midjourney. I'm doing this in response to this comment. I was wondering how you're able to generate images of men with the same facial features. Say John Goodman though. That's taking quality to a whole new level. Here are some photos that I did with John Goodman. With Midjourney, it's very easy. However, there are a few rules. Your photo must be front-facing, no glasses, no heavy bangs that cover most of the forehead, an ID-looking photo, and at least high quality. Those are just the main rules. I have used some photos that are not completely front-facing, low-quality photos, and photos that are not ID-looking, and they still worked. Just experiment and see what happens. To start, you need a Midjourney subscription and Discord. In Discord, click on the plus button to add a server. In this example, we'll call it FaceSwap, but you can name it whatever you want. Click on this link. This is the link to invite InsightFace to your server. The link is in the description below. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this invite. In the Add to Server dropdown, select your FaceSwap server. In this case, we select FaceSwap. Hit Continue. Then Authorize. Next, you need to invite the Midjourney bot to this server. To do this, go to the Midjourney server, then go to any of the newbies room. Find the Midjourney bot. Left-click on it, then select Add to Server. In the drop-down menu, select the FaceSwap server you just created, then click Create. Next, click Authorize. Back to your InsightFaceSwap channel, you can see that you have invited Midjourney bot and InsightFace to your channel. There are a few commands you will need to know. If you type /insight, you will see the 6 commands that apply to InsightFaceSwap. Swap ID, Save ID, List ID, Set ID, Del All, and Del ID. For now, let's start with Save ID. After you type /save ID, you will see this drag and drop box. For our example, we will use the mountain from Game of Thrones, Half-Thor Julius Bjornsson. Click on the box to upload the image, or you can drag and drop it. Here, I will drag and drop. Once done, hit Enter. And as you hit Enter, ID name shows up. This is where you type the name of this specific photo you are about to upload. There are naming convention rules. You can only use letters and/or numbers, and you cannot exceed 10 characters. Letters are case sensitive, and you can only have a total of 20 ID names maximum. Don't worry. You can always delete some IDs if you want to add new IDs. I will name this ID Thor. Hit Enter. Now you'll see that the ID name Thor has been created. I have already 4 images to swap Thor with. Let's begin with image number 1. We will type /swap ID. This upload or drag and drop box shows up. I will drag and drop my first image. And just like before, ID name shows up. I will type in THOR. Remember, it's case sensitive. Hit Enter. And there you have it. Thor has completely swapped faces with this face. And here are comparisons with the other images using Thor. And let me show you a faster way if you are only working with Thor. Upload by pressing the plus sign or drag and drop an image in the middle of Discord. In this example, I will drag and drop an image of Strongman Eddie Hall. Press Enter. Then once you see Eddie Hall in Discord, hover your mouse on the photo until you see these icons on the top right. Click on the 3 buttons which are more. Select Apps, then select InSwapper. Wait a few moments and it will automatically swap Eddie Hall's face with Thor. This shortcut works with the most current ID that you have uploaded. Again, if you want to refresh yourself what commands you have for InsightFaceSwap, just type /insight. Save ID is for uploading the face you want to use to replace an image. Swap ID is to make the face swap. If you lost track as to what IDs you have stored, type /list ID. And if you have reached the maximum of 20 IDs, use the /del ID command. Also, you can only use InsightFaceSwap 50 times a day. And as a review, you can only have a maximum total of 20 IDs. Each ID is case sensitive and can only use letters and numbers, and there's a maximum of 10 characters. To get good results, select front view, high quality, no glasses, no heavy bangs, and if you can, try to get ID photos. I need to stress that you must use this tool responsibly. Other than that, if you have any questions, ask me and I will help you out.